basic ingredients that we need this morning for my famous. Also some of that good old Jimmy Dean maple salt, heavy whipping cream. And I'm cooking some egg pie for you this morning. And folks, this is Big Timmy here, and we're cooking famous egg pie. Y'all stay tuned. Big Timmy is cooking for you. It's the final reveal. We've left our egg pie. Look at that. Look at these layers. Got you folks. Make you want to do the egg pie and easy. It'll make your wife, especially before she gets up, and you surprise her with, go ahead and like and subscribe and ring my dinner bell. We'll come back now, you hear? Our egg pie cooking has been currently cooking for 25 minutes. Oh yeah, it's done. Egg pie. Just slice it and put it on a plate, and we're gonna try Hey folks, another quick tip from Big Timmy. Cooking started. I'm actually gonna have a dishwasher, but I like to hand. What that does, get all that grease off your wife. Alright, so I like to wash these pans. A happy wife, a happy life. That's right, folks. With ours, mix up our egg mixture, and this is actually a mixture. It's just a little dash in there. That's about good enough. And we'll be making potato pie.